Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in 3ds Max for beginners. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to discuss with you edit geometry in Edit Poly. So in the last video tutorial I discussed about edit polygon, so you can refer that tutorial, then only you will be able to understand this. So now I am going to draw a box here, and you can draw to any size here, and you can select this default setting to edged faces, and then you can go to modifier list and you can increase or decrease the size of box. So I will adjust this, and now you can increase or decrease the segment. So you are required to make some segment to understand about the tutorial. So in all of tutorials we are required to create segments. So now I'm going to right click and I'm going to convert this to editable poly, and now you can see these all editable poly selection tools are active here. So this is vertex, edge, border, polygon and element. So I have discussed all of this in previous tutorials, and now today I am going to discuss about edit geometry. So edit geometry is available in all the selection tools. So this one is vertex. So if you will select vertex, there is edit geometry in this also, and if you will select edge also, you can find this one, edit edges here, and in border also you can find edit geometry here, and so you can continue with all of this. You are required to edit geometry. So now I'm going to select vertex here, and if I'm going to my vertex here, you can see this edit geometry here. So you can see the first point here is repeat last. So whatever command you are working, if you will select this, it will go to repeat that command. So this is the repeat last function, and now this is written constraints. So constraints, there are none, edge, face and normal. So if I'm going to select a vertices here, and I'm going to select move tool here, and if you will select none, you can move to anywhere, and you can bring it to left and right direction also, and you can move to any directions. You can take it to inside, you can bring it outside. So if I am selecting here, can move to any direction here. You can see, just you are required to catch the gizmo and move. So this is the function of none. So now if you'll select edge here, I'm going to my modifier list, and I'm going to convert default poly. I'm going to select this, and now I'm going to select vertex here, and if I'm going to edit geometry here, now I'm going to select edge. So what will happen, if I'm again going to move this, you can see all the edges are moving. And now you can select face. So what will happen, if I'm going to select face here, it is only the face which is moving, and in the edge only the edges were moving. So all the faces of these vertices are moving here. So now normal, if you select normal here, so in normal it will only come front and go back, but you cannot move to left and right. So this is the function of normal. And if you'll come here it is create. So if you want to create more vertices, you can select anywhere on your project and you can create more vertices here. And this one is collapse. So what is collapse? So if I am going to come out of this, I'm going to first convert this to editable poly. Here I'm going to select vertex here, and now I'm going to edit geometry again. So now we have created, and I'm going to discuss about collapse. Suppose I'm going to select multiple vertices here, and all the red vertices are selected here, and I'm going to select collapse. So all the vertices are collapsed here. You can see all the edges are joined and it is collapsed. So this is the function of collapse here. And this one is attach. So if you want to attach more geometry here, you can attach this. So suppose I am going to my standard primitives, and I am going to draw a cylinder here, and I am going to draw a cone. So this is the two geometry, and again I am going to my modifier list, and you can select attach. So I am going to select this one, arrow attach list. So now it is automatic coming here, cone and cylinder one. So you can select this one and this one if you want to select attach both. So I'm going to select both, and I'm going to select this one, attach. And now you can see the color is changed and it is attached to this geometry here. And if you move, it will move together here, you can see here. And if I'm taking back, it is going in any direction because all the three are attached now. And if I'm coming back here, and I'm going to select this vertices here, and now I'm going to edit geometry here, and now this is one is detach. So I'm going to again detach this one, it is detached here, and now I'm going to select this one. So you can see this one is detached here. So this is detached from this object. So this is detached. Now next is slice plane. So if I'm going to select slice plane, so slice plane is like in engineering drawing you have studied about slice plane. So it is basically used to slice or cut. So I'm going to select this slice plane, and you can see this slice plane is active here, and you can move this, and you can see it is cutting the slice in vertices form. You can slice anywhere, and it is covering this cylinder also and cone also. So suppose all of three I want to cut, and I'm going to select this split. I want to split this, and now I'm going to click on this slice. So now you can see this is the slice plane, and you can also see this slice symbol here. And if you want to slice, you can click here also, and I am going to click here. So now this is sliced, and you can see this split part if you select the element. So I'm going to select the element here, and now if I'm going to select, it is splitted in two parts, and you can see, so this is the use of slice plane. And again I am going to select the vertices here, and if you'll come here in edit geometry, you can also do the quick slice, and this is a similar only, but it is more faster. So if I am going to slice this into like this or like this, you can slice this. I'm going to click this, and now you can see this line here. This is the slice, and if you'll go and select this polygon here, element here, and if you'll go and select, you are required to first come out of the command, and I'm going to first select the command element here, and you can see this is sliced here. So this is the use of quick slice tool. And again I'm going to my vertex here, and we'll go to edit geometry, and now this is cut. So cut is that it will cut the object into different parts, like I am going to cut like this, like this, like this. So this is the cut object of vertices. So can cut any shape, and can uncheck this, and now you can select this and edit your design. Like suppose I am going to select it as element, you can extrude this as element. Suppose I am going to extrude this, you can see. So this is the use of cut tool here. You can cut any object according to your design, and you can extrude or can do whatever you want as per your design, and you can increase the height of extrusion. So this is just for example to make you understand. So this was the tutorial for the today's session, and in the next session I will come with some more interesting topics in 3ds Max. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.